Hi. Good day, everyone, wherever you are. Um, this is your boy Pedro. I'm here to show you how to join Novatech. Novatech is another investment company, which is a hedge fund, basically a trading company. So they trade cryptocurrency, they trade cryptocurrency, they trade forex and whatnot. So as you can see, the symbol is right here, Novatech right here. So I'll show you how you basically join. So what you do is you get sent the link. You come right here. You just paste the link. You paste the link. Once you paste the link, and it will come like this. It's loading. Yeah, so it's loaded like this. So right here, what you do, you put your name, you choose a username, not your name, you choose the username that you want to use, and you come here, you choose the password, you confirm the password right here, and here you type in a name or your company or whatever name you want to use for your link, because that will come .novatechfx.com. Let's say your name is Apple, so you put apple.novatechfx.com. If your name is avocado, you're gonna put avocado, then will come avocado.novatechfx.com. So that will be your link that you'll be sharing to people. So from there, then here you choose the country. You choose the country where you're from. If you're from Angola, you choose Angola. Otherwise, you go all the way to the UK. If you wanna use the UK, blah blah blah. You know what I mean. I'm not gonna go all the way. Then here you put your NI number if you are in the UK. If you are not, wherever you are, you put your tax number there, which is NI number. If you choose the UK, right here is gonna change to NI number. And this one, I don't know this. You don't just pass. You pass it, and right here you choose the language. Then you put your first name. If you have a middle name, you put middle name here. If you have last name, then you put last name. Obviously, everybody should have last name, so you put last name, first name, last name. If you have middle name, you put middle name. You put your email address, you put your phone number, and referred by. But obviously, if you already clicked the link, this one you're just gonna pass because it will automatically take the person that sent you the link. And this one is optional, and here you select your date of birth, and in e-wallet you choose a pin. This pin is important because if you want to pay or you want to withdraw the money, your money will be in e-wallet. The ones that you will withdraw will be in e-wallet. So if you want to withdraw it, you need to create a pin and choose a secret question here, and put the answer. Let's say, for example, in what city was your mother born? You type the answer, which is going to be your own secret answer. But you choose a pin just like a normal card pin right here, and you retype it here and save it. As I say all the time, make sure when you're investing, make sure you have a calendar, at least a notebook where you put your stuff. You write your numbers. It has to be a logbook that you keep secret, but you have to write those stuff. Is important. You don't want to be forgetting because there's so many pins so many passwords going around and you don't want to be forgetting stuff. So buy a small logbook where you write your stuff, you keep your stuff in, and yeah, because you never know, it's always good. And here you put your address, first line, second line, city, country, then postcode, and this will you just click the same as this one, then it will copy everything here, and you read the terms and conditions, then tick what you want to tick right here, then complete the enrollment. So once you complete the enrollment, then you come to the back office. Okay, back office. So before going to the back office, what you have to do, make sure you go to your either Binance or um, Clever or KuCoin, whatever exchange that you're using to buy cryptocurrency. Make sure you've already bought your cryptocurrency, because this platform gives you 48 hours for you to top up your account. Otherwise, you have to restart registration again. So before you go to that, make sure you buy your cryptocurrency from your exchange platform that you use. Let's say Binance or Clever, Zengo, or whatever you're using. So just make sure that you got your coin. So in this one with Novatech, I will advise everyone that think to join or think of joining. I'm not inviting you to do this. Don't just make sure that I'm not inviting you. This is just me doing it, and I want to show you how it's working for me. So if you wanna deposit money on this one, make sure you use Litecoin. Litecoin, why? Because Litecoin is cheaper for you to send the money. It costs you very little to send compared to the USDT. I haven't tried Bitcoin, so I don't know how much Bitcoin will charge for the energy fee. I'm not sure, but definitely USDT, because they're using Ethereum like ERC20, is very expensive. Every time they will charge you 10 USD, so it's too much. But with Litecoin, they will charge you something like 0.63 or something like that. So it's like 63p to send whatever amount you want to send. So it's not about how much you're sending, it's just every time you want to send, that's what they will charge you for the platform. That is not Novatech, is whatever that is Binance charging you that money. So make sure you use Litecoin because it's cheaper to do so. So once you've done this page, you finished and confirmed your email and everything. So what you do, you go to the back office. So I'm gonna log into my back office, then I will show you what to do, what comes next. So let me log on to my back office. As you can see, I got right here. Then I go to my back office, I will sign in. Obviously you can't see this, but I'm logging in my back office. So I'll go in, boom, I've logged in, and I'll bring that here. So I've logged into my back office right here. So when you've logged in, now this is what you will see. This is your first page. So if you scroll down right here, then you'll see your investment right here. So this is your account, your trading account, and this is your bonus account. So what you have to do now is to go to the funding. So you go here, funding the account. So you click funding, Then you go to upgrade account, choose upgrade account, you go upgrade account, and this is what comes up. Okay, so right here you choose, because obviously you won't have any money in your e-wallet. So right here you type how much you want to fund the account for right here. Let's say you want to go for 100, you type in 100, or if you want 1,000, you type in 1,000. Then you come here, you choose coin payment. Okay, coin payment. Coin payment is a company, is different company, is not Novatech type. So you just type coin payment. Then you go down here, you click the agreement and blah blah blah, then you click validate. Once you validate that one, then another another button will come here to say upgrade now. You click that upgrade now, then they'll give you the link. They'll give you the link and the QR code. They'll give you the link and the QR code where you have to scan if you want to scan, or you want to scan it, or you want to copy the link and take it to your Binance account and make your payment there. Once you make your payment there, and it will appear to your PAMM account. So PAMM account is a trading account that is managed by Novatech. They manage it for you. Then at the end of the week on Friday, they pay you your profit. They pay you the interest on it. So which is not bad, basically, because you're not doing anything, they're doing everything for you. So yeah, so that's your PAM account. And if you want to invite people, you copy this link, the top link right here, copy that link, send it to your friends and family, whoever wants to join, then they'll join on their own risk. Yeah, that's what it is. So what I want to tell you now, right now, what I want to share is, like, I've been with Novatech 2 weeks now. This is my second week. So Friday was my second payment. So the first week I joined with let me bring the calculator to show you. So calculator is right here. So the first week I joined with uh, with um, um, 1,000. It was 1,000. So I started with 1,310. Yeah, and they paid me something like 34 and 20 TP, which was like 262, because I didn't join. I joined on Saturday, so it's like a day before or a day after, basically. So times 2.62%, and if you go equal, yeah, so 34.32 basically they paid me, which is 2.62% they paid me that week. Then I went ahead, paid that money back to my account again, and I added whatever was missing. So that was already for that week. So we went from that plus 34.32, I mean 0.332. So that's what we had. Then I added, let's say, then I added 655 to my account on that same on the Friday of the profit. So my account now went to 2000. Then this week they paid me 2.75, I think 2.75%. Yeah, so they paid me 55%. I mean $55. They paid me $55, which is 2.75% from that money. And obviously I went for this week again, I added some more, so then we're waiting for the next week. So if on my money now I've made plus 34 plus 34, so this is what we are at, 89 profit. So it's not bad because we're starting slow. I'm increasing this money every week I'm adding something, so it's not really bad. So on average right now I've made around 5.3% for the 2 weeks on average. 5.3 for 2 weeks, which is not bad, because if if I bought index, for example, if I bought S&P 500, that pays, you can go up or down 7% per year. 7% per year. If I'm making 5% every 2 weeks, so it's not bad. I know I'm gonna pay 25 USD at the end of the month. So this is my second week, so I go another week and another 2 weeks and a half to go. Another 2 weeks and a half to go. So if, for example, I make another 5.3% for the next 2 weeks. So let's see, let's bring the calculator again. Where are you? Calculator is here. Trying to get a calculator. So with what we have, let's say I didn't add anything. I already made 89. So if we say from that money, obviously I have something like this, I think. No, something like this. Times for the next 2 weeks, if we do it, times 5.3%, so we will make 123 for the next 2 weeks, then plus 89, so 212 per month minus 25, so it's 187. So if my money was in a saving account, I will not even make $2. I will not even make $1 at the end of the month. So it's gonna be something in peace. So if I can make 187 at the end of the month from my 2K, I'm not gonna complain. It is what it is, you know. It is something. So this is amazing. If you look at it, it's amazing because I'll show you something. So let me show you something. We're gonna go very cheap, so let's bring this calculator and show you the calculator site.com. Let's show you. Let me show you how amazing this can be for the future, because what I'm trying to tell people is stop thinking quick returns and all that. So make sure you start thinking long-term plans. What is your long-term plan? Because S&P 500, where everybody, almost not everybody, but the investors, where the investor put their money, they will tell you if you start investing £100 when you are 18, every month you're putting £100 in that account. By the time you are 68, you'll retire with 1.3 million. So what it means basically, if you want to catch up, if you didn't start when you were 18, what it means, you can invest 60,000 and wait 50 years for you to make 1.3 million. That's what it is basically. If you think about it, that's what it is. 60,000 in 50 years will make you 1.3 million. So, but this one, if you think about it, if you come in here and you say, okay, I'm investing 1,000, for example, 1,000 USD, the cheapest you can go. It's not the cheapest. You can invest in 100. Forget my math, so I'm always talking rubbish sometimes. And you go weekly, and the average, which ranges around 3.24%, and you choose 52 weekly, which is 52 weeks per year, and you just say, okay, I'll do this for 5 years, for example. I'll keep my money there for 5 years, then I'll be paying, because you have to be withdrawing 25 US dollars. Yeah, because your account, if it's under 25,000, you have to pay 25 USD. So then you calculate. Let's calculate and see how much 1,000 USD dollar will make us in 5 years time. So all you have to be doing is coming in here every Friday, upgrade your account. Every Friday, upgrade your account. Whatever profit they pay you, put it back into your PAMM account. Every Friday when it is around 3 p.m. UK time, you can come in here and take the payment, put it back into your account, and this is what is gonna make you in the next 5 years. So as you can see, if we go monthly to see the months, and you will see, so it starts slowly, but you can see it's actually growing. By the time when you are 6 months, you've already quadrupled your account. As you can see here, 12 months, your account is already more than 4 times. And by the time you complete 2 years time, you're already in 20s. So 20 times already your account. And when you are in your 3rd year, as you can see here, by the way, when you get into the 2nd year, on your 2nd month, your 1st month of the third year, for example, this is June, so in July 2020, next year will be 2024. So July 2025, you don't need to pay the $25 anymore, because your account is already gonna be over 25,000. As you can see here, this is gonna be June, for example, and this is gonna be July. So July 2025, your account will already be over 25,000. And on your third year, as you can see right here, you're already in hundred and of thousands. And you know, as you go along, you can see your account is being realistic now. And as you keep on going, before even you complete the fifth year, you're already in a million. So once you keep on going until you complete all the 60 months, then you are in 3 million. And this is doable, it's doable, because if you can think about it, just think on how you take car on finance. You take car on finance and you'll keep on paying for 5 years. You'll never complain. You'll get a phone that costs I don't know how much, and you'll be paying every single month. You will not complain. How come when you put the investment in, you want it to come in, you come out as big money quickly before even the time comes up? So that's what I'm saying. So you have to make sure you just stick into it. But the good thing is, with this one, you can always add your money. You don't just have to invest in 1,000 and leave 1,000 there. Because use your savings to start saving in this one, instead of keeping your money into saving account where it's not really growing. Save it in here. You understand? Save it in here. Maybe every 3 months you can take some of it, because every 3 months, your money is released. It's not released, but you can take it without fee every 3 months. Wherever the money you've invested, let's say you invested 1,000, after 90 days, this 1,000, if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw it, but without fee. If you want to withdraw it, let's say you invested before 90 days, you want to withdraw this money, you can withdraw it, but you will pay, I think, 10% fee. Because it makes sense, because you're not going to invest in any hedge fund. Normally they tell you will choose the term 5 years or 10 years, but this is not like that. It's like, okay, I'm investing for whatever I want. They just tell you, okay, we are gonna commit your money, but you have to give it at least 3 months without touching that money, because if you touch it, we'll pay it to you, but it will take at least 7 days for you to get it, 7 to 14 days for you to get it. At the same time, we will charge you 10% of that money. Why? Because that money is already in the trading account. They're working with it. They're clear. They're telling you, like, okay, we're working with your money. Why would you want to get it? If you want to get it, then you have to pay us to get it, to give it to you, because you're not the only person they're trading for. They're trading for so many people, and that money is being put in a pool. That's what they call it, like a pool account. They put the money in there and they trade with it, then they distribute everybody with some sort of percentages. So yeah, so as you can see, you can even start with 500, and you will still make money on a long run, because it is what it is. If you can calculate, you know, and it is what it is. So just make sure you keep whatever you're doing right now, keep doing it for the next maybe 3 to 4 years, then you can move on doing something else. But if you invest more, obviously you can cut that time shorter, then instead of waiting longer. So if you keep on adding into your account every single month or every single week, whatever, then your money will still grow. As you can see right here, even if you come in with 500 USD, by the end of 60 months you will still be at 1.3 million. So it's not bad. It is not bad. I know many people, they're being put off with the 25 $25 payment. But for me, I feel actually it's the best thing to do, because people are trading for you. You have to pay. It's not free. You just don't come in like, okay, I just want to get my account to be traded on for free and get paid. Obviously, they're paying, they're doing maintenance, they're doing all whatever is going behind there. And because your money, it's a small money, they have to take very, very risky positions to keep it, so you have to pay. Because if they have a big account, I am a trader myself, I know how it works. The bigger account you have, the less risks you have, because you make your money quicker in a big account than in a small account. So if you have a big account, you make more money, because you won't be risking too much. But for you to grow a small account, you have to be risking too much, otherwise you'll just get bored on trading with it. So that's why I think they're charging people $25 for small money. Anything below 25,000, you pay $25. And I don't really feel bad about it. I'm okay. I'm happy to pay $25 as long as I'm getting my return every single week. And as I said, this is my second week, and the payment has been on time. Every Friday they paid me. Last Friday they paid me. This just last Friday they paid me, and some money. And I noticed like on Saturday they paid me again. I don't know how, but that's what the total came up to 2.75%. So you know it's all good. It's all good. Because there are times where you get paid 4%. There are times, and on average, because they've been here 3 years now, on the 24th of June is going to be their third year anniversary. We will all be joining the meeting on Zoom. So it is good, and I encourage you, if you want to join on your own risk, do so. But you don't have to, because either way, I'll be making my profit, and I'll be sitting and waiting. Every Friday, you go there and pay, upgrade your account, so it's all good. All right, I think we've been. It's been a long video than I expected. I wanted to do it 15 minutes, but it's gone to something like 30 minutes. So see you around. Any question, you can just send it to me. I'll be happy to answer.